Hi, I'm Jen Wagner, and welcome to my Mosaic studio. I'm excited to host you for a mosaic project in my studio. We have many materials to choose from, but here's a sampling of some things. Everything will be pre-cut, so no use of tools will be required. We'll have things like glass beads, shells, rounded beads, eyeballs, and even letter beads if you wanted to spell something out. There's no experience necessary. When you come in, you'll receive a piece of Weddy board. This is a lightweight board made out of styrofoam, and it'll have a hook that you'll be able to hang right on your wall. There's no need to draw anything intricate. I'll be giving you Sharpies and some guidance, but really just a pretty shape that you like is all it needs to get you started. And then you'll choose from the materials that I have out from you, and with a little paintbrush and some glue, you'll start to attach pieces that make you happy. Can you edit that? So, just choosing pieces that you like, you can make something that is beautiful. And then at the very end, I'll fill in little spaces with a color grout that you choose from. Now here's a piece that's in progress, but it's a great example of a mosaic that's being created without any cutting happening. Lots of little flower petals, and we even use little stones to make the eyes and the nose. I hope that this is helpful, and I hope that you're very excited to come and do a workshop with me. I'm excited to spend the day with you.